cloudBRAT. Organize anything. cloudBRAT.com.
To create a backup or archive of all the clouds in your cloudBRAT account, from the My Clouds page, click on the hamburger icon and then Features. On the Features page, you will see the Backup Utility area and the Create Backup button. Go ahead and click the Create Backup button. Once the Download Backup button appears, go ahead and click on it to save the archive to your local device. The archive is a zip archive and contains images and text content you added to your cloudBRAT clouds. To view the content within this archive, extract the zip file. This first number is your user ID. Within that folder, there are cloud folders. Each folder is the ID of a cloud you created. To easily view the content, click on the index.html file, or rather, double-click it. All your clouds will be viewable offline. You'll notice there is very little styling and formatting to each page. But all your content is saved within this archive. There are also HTML text files and plain text files. All of your content is now saved and available on your local device.
cloudBRAT. Organize anything. cloudBRAT.com.